Yes, video set theory. Now I am going to discuss some operations of set. That means first union of sets. Union of sets. Union of set. Symbolically it is written in this way. X such that X belongs to A and X belongs to B. Okay. X belongs to A or B or to both A and B. A union B means X belongs to A, X belongs to B. If, for example, 2, 4, 6, 8 and B equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 8. So 2, 4, 6, 8, this is A. What is common element? 2, 4, 8. 2, 4, 8. This is A and this is B. Only A has 2, 4, 6, B. So, A set is completed and B 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. B2 is completed. So, A union B means total this. That means this is the A union B. X belongs to A or B or A and B both. A union B means X belongs to A. That means A. X belongs to only B. This is A and B, common portion of AB. This is only A, this is only A, this is only B, and this is common A and B. This is called the Venn diagram. A this, B this. This is the geometrical interpretation of union of two sets. Okay. Intersection of two sets, that is common of A and B. Common of A and B. In union, this symbol is used for OR. In union. Keep it in your mind. And second thing is intersection of two sets, that is A intersection B. It is symbolically used in this way. X belongs to A, reverse V, X belongs to B. Okay. That is X A union B. X belongs to A, X belongs to B. Such that this is K and this is K. This is the difference between them. In union this is K and intersection this is K. This means this is A and this is B. This is the common portion of A union B. A and B common portion of this. This is A intersection B. This is the A intersection B. X belongs to A and X belongs to B. This is this for AND. symbol is used for and. Okay. I hope you will understand the difference between union and intersection and the symbol of intersection and union. Difference of two sets. That means A minus B, such that X belongs to A, X belongs to B. X belongs to A, X not belongs to B. Element of A, that means this is AND. Okay, this is the difference of sets. If A is a set and B is a set, then X belongs to only A. Not in B, this is B, only B, this is only B, and this is A intersection B. That means here A contains elements of A and B. That means common elements of A and B contain in here. It not belongs to element of A. This is only the element of A minus B. This is the only element of A where common element of AB and element of B does not contain, does not exist. A minus B means only element of A where elements of A intersection B, that is common of A and B, common elements of A and B, and the elements, only elements of B do not exist in A. This is the Venn diagram of A minus B. Similarly, B minus A, that is element X, such that X belongs to B and X not belongs to A. So I will write in this way, this portion, this is B and this is A. X belongs to B, X does not belongs to A and in common portion. Okay, I hope, is it clear? Disjoint set. If disjoint set, if A intersection B is equal to 5, that means they have no common element. So these are disjoint set. Sorry. Complement of the set. If A is a set, its complement is denoted by AC. That means element of A does not exist in A complement. B is a set, its complement is B, C. Elements of the set B complement does not contain in B. Okay. That means A equal to 1 minus A equal to 1 minus AC. Okay. And complement is denoted by B dash or BC or B bar also. Okay. I am ending here. Next portion will come in next video.